Welcome back everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing about how to find the solution of a quadratic equation by completing square method. So the completing square method, before starting completing square method, we must review a few things, and I will also tell you a short trick regarding the completing square method. Basically it is a step jump, or you can call it a short trick. I will tell that at the last part of the video. So first I want you to review a few things while we solve the questions by factorization method. So what do we do then? We finally reach a step like x minus 2 into 2x minus 1 equals 0. We reach a step something like this, and from here we just separate the two steps, that is x minus 2 equals 0 or 2x minus 1 equals to 0, and find the solution. Right, so basically this can be anything like 2x minus 1 into 5x minus 4 equals 0. From here also the same thing, but one thing which we can do here is we can take common. So 2 times x minus 1 by 2, and from here we can take 5 common. So 5 times x minus 4 by 5 equals to 0. So this 2 into 5 is 10. When it goes to the right hand side, it again becomes 0. So x minus half times x minus 4 by 5 equals to 0, and then also the same thing, something equals 0 or the other part equals 0, and we find the solution. So basically what we achieve at the last step is that we get something like x minus a constant into x minus another constant equals 0, and from that we finally reach our solutions. So in case of completing square method, our final motive will be to reach a step where we can find x minus a constant into x minus another constant equals to 0. So our final motive in the new method also will be to reach a step like this, from where we can just find the solutions. So let's consider a case. For example, you have a case like while solving an equation, you encounter a step like x square minus a square equals 0, okay, where a is a constant. So this is very simple. What you will do, you will get x minus a, this is formula, x square minus a square into x plus a, okay, equals 0, and from here you will get the two solutions, okay. So whenever this step comes, we can do this thing, okay. So now another instance might be we get x square minus a, where a is a constant, equals 0. Here also we can do the same thing, like x square minus, we can write a as root a whole square, which equals x minus root a into x plus root a equals to 0, and here from here find the two solution. If we proceed a bit further, even if we have something like x plus k, where k is a constant, whole square minus a equals 0, if we reach such a step, then also we can write x plus k minus a into x plus k plus a equals 0, and finally we have reached to the point like x plus or minus some constant and x plus or minus some constant equals to 0. Now here this plus k can also be minus k, anything. Finally we will reach that step. So in case of completing square method, our main motive will be to reach a step like this, okay. X plus minus k whole square minus some constant equals 0. If we reach such a step, then we can easily proceed in this way, and we can get two factors equated to 0, from where we can find the solution. I think this is a bit confusing for you, but with the help of example, I think you will get it clear. So let us take an example. What actually I mean by this thing? Now first example I will take is like 25x square minus 30x minus 10 equals 0, okay. So while using the completing the square method, first step you should do, after looking at the question, first step you should do is you just take the coefficient of x square common, okay. When you take the coefficient of x square common, it's 25, so x square minus 30 by 25x minus 10 by 25 equals 0, and when the 25 goes to the other side, this is imply sign, it becomes x square 0 by 25, it's 0. So x square minus, now 30 by 25 is actually 6 by 5x minus 10 by minus, this is not 2 by 5 equals 0. Okay, so now after looking to this step, you will first, the thing you will try to do is you have to make a x plus minus k type whole square out of this step. So here you are finding an x square and also a 2ab term. Okay, x square minus, this can be termed as a 2ab term. We have to find the plus b square. If you look at the formula of a plus minus b whole square, it is a square plus minus 2ab plus b square, and here the a is x, so you can see the a square term is present, that is x square, the 2ab term is present, only we have to find the b square term. So let us make the b square term. Okay, so this is x square minus 2 into a into, now how to find the b square term? You just write this term, already there is 2, so you have to multiply it by 3 by 5, right? So the b square term will be plus 3 by 5 whole square. Now when you have added a new number or a new constant on one side, you also have to subtract it, because otherwise the value of the whole equation will change. So minus also 3 by 5 whole square, and what was remaining 2 by 5, so minus 2 by 5 as it is. So finally you can see here you have already made the x plus minus k whole square type. So this is actually x minus 3 by 5 whole square. You have made this thing whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square minus 2 by 5. Now if you just recall a bit, we have come to the point like what I have discussed earlier, x plus minus k whole square minus a. You see, you just match these two expressions. This is actually equals to 0, equals 0. So you can see you have found this x plus minus k term, and also you have found this a term, which is the whole, this thing is the a term. Now what to do? We have to write a equals to root a whole square and then expand it in x minus a into x plus a. Okay, so just proceeding. So this implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square. Now minus of, this is 3 by 5, so 9 by 25 plus 2 by 5 equals 0, right? So or x minus 3 by 5 whole square minus, this is 9 plus 10, so this is actually 19 by 25 equals 0. Okay, so now proceeding a bit further, it implies x minus 3 by 5 whole square minus root over 19 by 5 whole square equals to 0. So finally we have reached the step x square minus a square equals to 0. Now we can just expand this and get our desired result, or x minus 3 by 5 minus root 19 by 5 into x minus 3 by 5 plus root 19 by 5 equals 0. Okay, so final step, from this we can say, therefore the value of x is, x equals to, from the first one, the value of x equals to, from the first one, it is x equals to 3 plus root 19 by 5, or now from the second one, x equals to 3 minus root 19 by 5. I hope this is clear, but obviously you will need a more practice. Let us do more questions. Okay, doing more questions will clarify your doubts. So let us just take another example. Like for example, we have this thing like 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. So what was the first step? Take the coefficient of x square common. So when you take coefficient of x square common, it becomes 2 times x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Okay, now this implies 2 goes to the other side and it becomes 0 by 2 0. So x square minus 5 by 2x plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Now we have to form the a plus minus b whole square type. Okay, for that what you have to do, x square minus 2 times a is 1, a. Now to make this thing, so this is 5 by 2, so we have to write 5 by 4, then this 2 and 4 will get cancelled and this will be 5 by 2. Now this is 2ab term. Okay, now we have to add the b square, right? So this is plus 5 by 4 whole square. We have again to subtract that one, because otherwise the value will change of the equation. Now minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Okay, so now this thing is x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus this is let's take common, so this is 25 by 16 minus 3 by 2. So let me do it. So this implies sorry for the noise, auto is going, by the way. I don't know, this is 4:30 at the morning and auto is going. Okay, jokes apart. So x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus this is 16, so 25 minus this is 24, or x minus 5 by 4 whole square minus this is 1 by 16, this is 1 by 4 whole square equals 0. I forgot to write the steps. Equals 0. So now finally it implies x minus 5 by 4 minus 1 by 4 into x minus 5 by 4 plus 1 by 4 equals 0. So therefore x equals to, this is 5 plus 1, 6 by 4, so 3 by 2, or x equals to, it is 5 minus 1, that is 4 by 4, or x equals 1. So I hope this is clear how to deal with completing the square method. Now comes the short trick. Okay, now comes the short trick, which is, for example, take this one, the same one, 2x square minus 5x plus 3. So after you take the 2 common, you get x square minus 5 by 2x is equals 0 plus 3 by 2 equals 0. Now from this, how to write that x plus minus k whole square step plus minus a. Now how to write this step in one step? Okay, just we are jumping one step. So what you have to do to write this is, you have to consider this thing. Okay, you have to consider this number, this is minus 5 by 2, you have to take its half. Whatever be the number with its sign, you have to take its half. So here it is minus 5 by 2, its half is minus 5 by 4. So you have to write x minus x plus this number. Okay, so this number is here is minus 5 by 4, so x minus 5 by 4 whole square, okay, plus minus 5 by 4 whole square plus 3 by 2. So basically this is nothing but a step jump. Now let us take another example. For example, you have something like the previous one. So what was the previous one? That 25x square minus 30x minus 10 equals 0. From here you get, after taking the coefficient common of x square minus 5 by minus 6 by 5, sorry. So minus 6 by 5x minus this is 2 by 5 equals to 0. Now how to write the step x plus minus k whole square minus a in one step? You have to, what you have to do, you have to consider this thing along with the sign, take its half. So x minus this, its half is 6 by minus 6 by 5 into half, it is minus 3 by 5. So x minus 3 by 5 whole square. Now write minus 3 by 5 whole square minus 2 by 5. So basically this is a step jump. Let us practice it in another question. Let us take another question. Let it be, let us take this one. Let us take this one. So let us take 3x square minus 5x plus 2 equals to 0. So after taking common, you will get x square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3 equals 0. Now to write that step in single, you have to take its half. So x minus 5 by 6 whole square. After that you have to subtract this term, minus 5 by 6 whole square, and then what it is left, plus 2 by 3. So I hope this is clear. This was just a simple short trick at the last. So I hope this is clear how you should deal with the problems with completing the squares. And if you like the lecture, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back soon with the next lecture. Next lecture will be on quadratic formula. So I will be back soon. Bye.